So what did we learn from this human genome project? We came to know that your entire human genome comprises of 3164.7 million base pair. Too long. The average size of a particular gene is around 3000 bases, but yes, it can vary a lot. You have a human gene called as dystrophin, which is as long as around 2.4 million bases. Oh my god, again a too big one. The total number of genes which was estimated is around 30,000. Before we could actually do this, it was estimated that they could be around 80,000 to 1,40,000, but thank God they were only around 30,000. And surprisingly, 99.9% of all the bases in all the individuals are exactly the same. So you and me are exactly the same. The functions are unknown for over more than 50% of the genes that we have discovered. And you would be surprised to know that only less than 2% of your entire genome actually codes for proteins. So most of the region now, it has repeated sequences, which is making up a large portion of your DNA. These repetitive sequences, they are stretches of your DNA sequences which are repeated many times, sometimes 100 to 1000 times, and they are not having direct role in coding for any protein, but they play an important role in chromosome structure, their function, their dynamics, and their behavior and evolution. The chromosomes, they vary in size. The largest one being your chromosome number 1, with most genes having around 2968, 2968, and the smallest one, tumhara or hamara, that is your Y chromosome with 231 genes. Scientists have identified, I was about to say that we have identified, anyways, I am not less than a scientist. So scientists have identified around 1.4 million locations where there is a difference in a single nucleotide called as single nucleotide polymorphism, that is SNPs. And these positions are where we actually differ. This knowledge is actually going to revolutionize the way we are going to link our diseases to these DNA sequences. And also this will help in tracing the human history.